how to transfer funds from Venmo to Fidelity. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer funds from Venmo to Fidelity. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Venmo app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on transfer, which is next to Venmo balance. Then first you have to link your Fidelity bank here by tapping on this option. After tapping on it, you have to just enter the credentials of your Fidelity account. Then you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer and tap on transfer. And your money will be transferred to Fidelity. So that's how you can transfer funds from Venmo to Fidelity. That's all for this video.